I try with you. It's more than life is sleeping in and getting high with you. I had to let go of us to show myself what I could do. That just didn't sit right with you. Now you're trying to make me feel away on purpose.
Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylah Bree. Is your girl Kaylah Bree. Is your girl Kaylah Bree. So today's video is, of course, why you could tell from the title, it is finally my long-awaited apartment tour. I have been trying to get this video out to you guys for so long. It's totally not perfect. I have the same disclaimer everybody puts in their apartment tours that my apartment is nowhere near done. I'm actually in the transitional phase of my apartment where I'm trying to transition my style from one style to another. So it's kind of like a mix of different pieces of different styles and things like that. I'm trying to switch over from one style to another. So it's a lot of transition going on, but I still think it looks nice enough for me to show you guys. So that's what this video is. It is an apartment tour to show you guys what I have in my apartment thus far. I am moving soon, so I'm not like moving. I'm getting the same apartment but just a bigger unit. So I'll have a lot more to like maneuver with and stuff like that soon. So I'm excited about that. But I still wanted to show you guys this apartment, and then you guys can kind of see me elevate and go and transition into the style that I'm really trying to go for. And you will see that in future videos if you are subscribed. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you are not. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button on this video. Make sure you comment down below. If you have any questions at all whatsoever, please leave it down in the comment section below. And let's get into this house tour. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is what you see. So we will start off with my island here. So on top of my island, I have this black vase that I got from HomeGoods, and I put my pampas in there that I got from Etsy. And when you pan around, you'll see my bar stools. My bar stools are from Wayfair. Then you come around here where we started at. You'll see that I have 3 doors. I have the first door, which is a coat closet, the second door, which is my bathroom, and then in between there I have these pictures that I got from Mixed Tiles of all of my little babies, and I purposely got them in black and white. Then over here is the door to the laundry room. Then circling through, this is the kitchen. Of course, that is the refrigerator, and then as you can see, I don't like things on my counter, so I have barely anything on my counter. I have my paper towel holder and my Keurig machine with the K-cup holders. Up here, I have this sign that I got from Target, this planter that I got from Target, and then this vase that I got from Amazon. This here is my pantry. I do have a video on my channel on how to do the small pantry organization. I will link that above so you guys can check that out. Then when you are exiting the kitchen, you come into my workspace. So here is my desk. I have this mirror that I got from Target. My computer, which is an iMac, and then I have my desk that I got from Wayfair. On top of my desk, I do have this lamp that I got from Amazon. I have a crystal there with some sage. Also, I have this little plant that I got from Target. Then here I have my chair, this little rolly chair that I got from Wayfair. And then on top of that, I have this little blanket that I actually stole this from my mom. She got it from Burlington Coat Factory, but I just thought it matched the aesthetic of my house. Coming over here, I have this calendar that I got from Target, and then I also have this Do What You Love sign I got from Amazon. Swinging over now, we are in the living room. So in the living room, I have 2 canvases that I got from Etsy, and then this lamp that I got from Amazon. As you can clearly see, I'm an Amazon junkie. My couch here is from this local shop in Dallas. I got a few years ago. It's been a while, but I don't remember the name of the shop. I also have this clear table that I got from Wayfair. This black bowl that I got from Target, and then I filled it up with some moss balls that I got from Amazon. Here is my entertainment area. I have this plant that I got from Amazon. Also, the planter is from Target. I got the entertainment stand from IKEA. The Tom Ford and Chanel book, of course, from Amazon. I have a candle here lit, along with my diffuser here. I have this vase that I got from Amazon, and I filled it with some bunny tails that I ordered off of Etsy. And then next to that, I have this cushion here that I got from Amazon as well. I also have my TV here mounted. I have the LED lights behind the TV. It is a little ghetto because I have the little, you can see the cord still, but you know, it's giving what it's supposed to give for now. Of course, out there I have my balcony, but I'm not going to show you guys my balcony for now. But that chair I did get from Target. So moving from my living room, we are going into my bedroom. So this is my bed. I got this bed from Nebraska Furniture. The sheets and the comforter set I got from Target, and then the pillows, the little decorative pillows, I got from Amazon, of course. I have this nightstand here that I got from Target, and then on top of that I have this vase that I got from Amazon, and I filled it with some pampas grass and the candle from my candle business, which is coming very soon. I also have this dresser here that I got from Walmart. I highly do not recommend this. I highly do not recommend it because it is very raggedy, but it looks alright for the time being. On top of here, I have my lamp with my JBL speaker, and then I also have my diffuser, and then this nice orchid flower here. This is my vanity. I have 2 candles sitting on top of it, along with my Impressions vanity mirror that I got a long time ago. It is sitting on the mom desk with the ghost chair. I have my brushes there, and then the K I got from Ross, I believe. I have some butterflies going up the wall that I ordered off of Amazon and I placed there. Then you pan over to this side, and this is where my candle business resides for now. I just have the candles sitting on top of this little thing, and then this also has all of my material, my wax, and everything for now. I tried to make it look cute by putting a little plant up there, but you know, for now that's what it looks like. And then behind my door I have my mirror that is broke. You guys know, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that this mirror has been broke for a while. I'm gonna get a new one. Possibly when I move I'll get a new one, but that's what's going on there. And then you pan over here, this is the closet, but we're not gonna go in there because it's a disaster right now. Now we have entered into my bathroom. So on my counter, I have this diffuser that I got from Target, along with this plant that I got from Target, and then a candle that I have from my candle business. I got this soap dispenser from Target, and then that's just an overview of that. And then you pan over here, I got these towels that I got from Target, and then the You Are Strong sign that I got from Target, and then my rugs that I also got from Target, and then I just have a black shower curtain. To give you an overview of what my shower currently looks like, this is what my shower looks like on the inside. I like the tile that my apartments come with, and then I have some eucalyptus up there with my body products, and so yeah, that is what my shower looks like. And now we are back into the kitchen. All right, you guys, so that is it for my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, please, like I said, leave it down below. Make sure you guys check out my Amazon storefront. I have it linked down below in my description box for you guys to check out. I have a whole bunch of household essentials, everything in my Amazon storefront. If you guys want to know where I got things from, it's in my Amazon storefront if I got it from Amazon. So if you find something that you want me to link, please ask me down below. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.